What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Dodge Charger Scat RT Scatback Swinger Edition. This vehicle is powered by a 6.4 liter Hemi V8 with 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And the Swinger Edition is a special edition model. So I believe this is like a 1 of 1,000 special edition model with like the gold accents and all the design cues for like the last gasoline Chargers. So it's pretty cool. Nice interior in here. These sporty bucket seats are really nice. They have Alcantara on them and really good lateral support. You have your typical Uconnect screen, really nice steering wheel, the Dodge logo over here, paddle shifters as well. Put the vehicle in reverse and you do have a backup camera. This one's really clean. It looks basically brand new. Very nice condition Charger right here, and a very unique one, of course, being the Swinger Edition. It's your center console storage. Well, let's walk around this car and then we'll go for a drive. Sounds pretty awesome. Sounds like a true muscle car, that's for sure. I'm trying to see if there's like a wireless charging tray. I don't think there is. But yeah. So here's like the green exterior on this one. You have a wide body, really beautiful, like light gold wheels, SRT Brembos. You have the hood vent and the hood scoop. Scat Pack badge on the front, nice LED headlights. The wide body looks really cool on these, that's for sure. Very aggressive design. Here are the rear seats. And here's like the gold accents. You also have dual outlet exhausts. You have the Charger and the Scat Pack badges on the back. And here's the trunk space. Pretty good trunk space, actually. Fit a lot of stuff back here. But anyways, let's get out on the road. Scat Pack time. I don't think I've ever even driven a Charger Scat Pack before, funny enough. I've driven a lot of cars, but I've never driven one of these. Just making sure my camera view is good. All right, let's go. I really like the flat bottom wheel. And also I made a video on a Durango SRT like 2 weeks ago. Seems like that was really popular. Guess I need to make more videos on SRT products and Dodges. Man, the steering feels great. Very nice and heavy. Like that. That is fast. Wow. That is really fast. And it sounds really good too. I like that. Looks like you can only use the shift paddles in manual mode. Wow, that is unbelievable. Really fast acceleration. put your foot down, it's like a jackhammer. It just goes. This is really cool. Like, see, I'm not like a big muscle car guy, but some of these muscle cars, I'm like, wow, this is awesome. Like, I'm like a German car and like foreign car guy, but like I've been driving, like, but whenever I drive like a, you know, a Charger like this, or a Challenger, or even like a Ford Mustang, something like that, like high performance ones, I'm always really blown away by them. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Transmission shifts fast too. The acceleration's like phenomenal. I think it does 0 to 60 in like 3.7 or 3.8 seconds or something like that. So it's pretty cool. And I don't think I've ever seen a Swinger edition like this. So if you want a really unique Charger, this would be one to get, you know. Speaking of, I need to drive the new Charger, the 6-pack or whatever it's called. I've never driven the electric ones either. But this specific one is in amazing condition. It literally feels like a new car. The steering wheel looks like mint. I like when pre-owned vehicles have this kind of condition. I like when people take care of their cars. Gotta wait a second here. All right. I love the steering. It's so heavy. It's fantastic steering. Use your drive mode selectors. So, sport. I guess I was driving in auto the whole time and it was still crazy fast. The acceleration is effortless in this car. Like, I barely put my foot down and it just starts moving with no hesitation. Like, this car's ready to roll. Yeah, like as I mentioned, the seats are real comfortable, so this is honestly daily drivable too. It's like really comfortable. It also ventilated and heated seats, which is awesome. I forgot to mention that. It's pretty hot today, so this AC plus the heated and ventilated seats and the comfort I'm getting from these seats all feel really, really good. So it's always a great feeling when you're driving a car. And despite it being a sedan, it's a little bit elevated on the road. Like, it doesn't feel like you're just kissing the road, which is nice. I'm very impressed with this Charger. I love it. Really awesome car. Literally just hit the gas, the rear wheels will spin out. It's got a lot of power. But we have now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine, so that concludes today's video on this 2023 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack Springer Edition. Really awesome vehicle right here, absolute blast to drive, and a very unique one with this specific example. And thanks to Alex and the team, as always, for letting me drive this awesome vehicle. If you're interested in this car, be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed, and thank you for watching Droop Drives. I'll catch you all in the next video.